Hello friends, in today's video, I am going to introduce you to an AI tool. With this tool, you will be able to generate many digital AI avatars or headshots by just uploading your single image. And the best part is, it's completely free. Many people enjoy seeing these kinds of images on the internet, and nowadays, everyone wants to create such images. So, in today's video, I will teach you how to create such images in a very easy way with AI tool called HyperBooth AI. Let's get started with the video. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more AI updates. To use this awesome tool, you simply need to visit HyperBooth.ai. Now, let me introduce you to HyperBooth AI, which is far better than all other tools out there in the market. Why? Because it can produce super cool AI avatar images with just one selfie. Can you believe how cool that is? And the best part is, you don't have to upload lots of images to get good results. This tool will generate high-quality images with just one selfie. Now, let's see how to use it. First of all, you have to create an account. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, Discord, or your own email. In this case, I will use my Google account. Now, you need to answer a simple question to enter HyperBooth AI. After entering their website, you will see many character styles available for generating avatars. In the upper right corner, you will see credits. It's important to note that every time you generate an avatar, some credits will be used. My credits section is 0 because I am using the beta version of this tool, but you guys will see the credits. As new users, you will receive only up to 20 free photos every day during the promotional period, but only for the first 7 days after signing up. It is a limited time offer, so sign up now from the link in the description. Now, let's create your first AI photo using HyperBooth AI. It's a very easy process. First, take a selfie, but be careful to ensure your full face is visible in the selfie. Avoid using photos where the facial shape is only partially visible. Also avoid using pictures with accessories like sunglasses, headband, masks, etc. You should take a photo like a frontal portrait to generate a proper avatar. I'm also going to be using my friend's picture, which I have already asked his permission for this. The next step is to choose a style. There are many styles available, over 200 styles to choose from. But I am going to choose the cyberpunk style because it looks cool to me. You can use your own style. Now, I have to select the aspect ratio. I am going to use 2:3 as always, but you can use your own. Now you have to upload the image. So, hit the generate button, and now it's time to wait. It will take a few seconds to generate your AI avatar. Well, here is my avatar. It's ready. Now, you will see that HyperBooth generated 4 different style avatar images. You can download them all or click on the HD button to download the high-quality version of the avatar, but it will cost you some credits. That's all. Try out HyperBooth AI today and generate your stunning AI avatars. As you can see, there are different styles available. I have tried out digital art, AI yearbook, comic art, and professional. Let me know in the comments which top 5 styles do you like is the best in HyperBooth AI. Why choose HyperBooth? HyperBooth is far better than any others because other AI avatar generators require many pictures to generate avatars, and it also takes a lot of time to generate them. But with HyperBooth, you can generate super cool AI avatars with just one image. So, stop using those tools and try out HyperBooth. HyperBooth gives the best creative outcomes, thanks to the portraying styles templates it has. It's quite easy to get started with HyperBooth and make images hyperfast. So in terms of speed, I want to give it 5 out of 5. In ease of making your first AI photo, I want to rate it 5 out of 5. And last, for creative templates, I personally like the cyberpunk and the yearbook the best. And so I'd love to see more themes around cosplay, vintage, game art, cyberpunk, etc. And the pricing of HyperBooth AI is pretty good. You can start for free. So there you have it, folks. If you want to generate awesome AI avatar images in just a few seconds, then you must give HyperBooth AI a try. It's the best AI avatar image generator out there in the market. So don't forget to check my description for the link to visit HyperBooth AI. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching.